What's up everyone, Puryanik here, and I hope you have a fantastic day today. As we can see right now, Bitcoin almost get rejected from the $103,000 resistance. As I'm already mentioned on the previous video, the rally can continue to this resistance, and right now we can see Bitcoin almost get there and get the rejection from that area, and currently Bitcoin below the 96,000 support, and this is not looking good right now, because right now we can see the lower price for a Bitcoin maybe around 93,000 or maybe around 91,500, or even lower around this support around $89,500 again. And at the same time we can see the SAR indicator standing around 91,500, and this is not looking good because we are already printing another lower high again on the market, and this can be continue. And if Bitcoin breaking the $90,000 or even $89,500 especially, and we can see the even daily candle below this area and come and retest the 89,500, definitely we can see the lower price for a Bitcoin around 80,000 or even $73,000 again. But right now, as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 89,500 or even $90,000, I'm still okay and I'm still comfortable. Is no panicking to the market. But anyhow, if we breaking down this support around 89,500, definitely we can see the lower price for Bitcoin, especially around 80,000 or even lower around $74,000 again. If we checking the MACD on the weekly time frame, still we don't see any cross on the market. At the same time, we can see the histogram already changing the color, but we are much higher than a baseline. But right now everything is okay, and still we can have a hoping for a bulls to back up again from this green box. If I back into the 3-day time frame, as we can see right now, low band of the BB exactly standing around 89,500, and to be honest with you, I thinking possible to see the Bitcoin back again to this support, and we get the bounce from this area, because so many buyers looking for this area to buy back again. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, as we can see right now, RSI on the daily, we already see the cross, and we already see the around 7%, 7.5% dump. And right now Bitcoin on the daily time frame below the support and below the midband, and midband is standing around 96,500, and as soon as we below 96,000, definitely I can see the lower price for a Bitcoin. And this is at the moment is not so doing good. As soon as the Bitcoin back above the 96,000, at least closing the candle above the 96,000, then yes, we can continue to rise up even to 100k or even back to top resistance around 103k. But right now, what I can see, lower price possible for a Bitcoin. This is about the Bitcoin is not doing good right now, especially as soon as the Bitcoin below the 96,000. Let's jump to the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily time frame, as I'm already mentioned on the previous video, Ethereum can come and retest this resistance again around 3,727. Ethereum exactly coming and retesting this resistance and almost getting dumped around 10.8% to the current price, and very close to the support around $3,280. At the same time, we can see the low band of the BB and the SAR printing around 3,200. And to be honest with you, Ethereum also still, as soon as below the mid band or especially around 3,500, can little bit stay around this area, maybe can come and retest the $3,200 again. And if Ethereum breaking the 3,200, definitely we can see the lower price around $3,000 again, and this is not so good. But right now still Ethereum hold above this support, especially around 3,200, and as soon as the Ethereum hold above, and as soon as the Ethereum hold the support, still is okay, and still is no panic on the market. And we can see on the daily time frame on the RSI exactly cross and 10.8% dump. And we can see the MACD on the daily time frame also not so doing good. We are below the baseline. If I check in the weekly time frame for Ethereum, MACD, very soon we're going to be changing the color, but still higher than a baseline. And if we check in the Ethereum on the weekly, we can see the mid-band exactly standing around 2,982. And to be honest with you, if we breaking this support, we still can have a hope on 3,100, but I think definitely this time we can see the lower price for Ethereum around $3,000 again. If Ethereum hold above the support, definitely we can come and retest the 3,500, and if we see the Ethereum back and hold above the 3,500, definitely we can see the higher price for Ethereum again, and possible for Ethereum come and retest this green box again. But right now, still Ethereum hold above the 3,285, and as soon as the hold it, it's still okay. If we be breaking down, definitely 3,100 or $3,000 is still on the table. So this is all about Ethereum. Let's check the Solana and see what's going on the Solana. Solana on the weekly time frame also, as I mentioned on previous video, possible to see the Solana come and retest this resistance around 225. Solana come very close around 223, and we already get a rejection from that area. At the same time, right now, mid-band of the BB is standing on the weekly time frame exactly around 184, and we are breaking the 200 support. And this is not so good, because as soon as we are below the 200, possible to see the Solana come and retest this mid-band around $184 again. And if we breaking this support, we can see the lower price for Solana around 160, 162, and this is not so good for Solana. But if we be breaking, yes, definitely we can come and retest this green box between the 153 and 162. But right now, Solana is still hold above the support around 184. As soon as the Solana hold this support, definitely we can see the pinpoint between this support and the top resistance around 225 on the weekly time frame. And to be honest with you, if we be breaking down, is not so good for a Solana. Definitely we can see the Solana on this green box. So this is all about today, my friend. Hoping this video is helping you. Let me know on the comment, are you bullish or are you bearish? And are you opening long on this area or waiting for lower price? And if you still didn't join to Cryptozone on the Telegram group, link in description and in pin in the comment. All the best for you, and see you on the next video.